spokesperson called it a near-catastrophic car chase. Others said it wasn't bad. But I think people in New York know if it was possible to have car chases in New York, we'd all make it to the theater on time. I think they were dealing with aggressive paparazzi.
Yeah.
But I don't think it was where, you know, you're watching on TV like this, watching the cars go, because, you know, you can't, it just doesn't work in New York.
For more news content and exclusive interviews, make sure to hit the sub, like, and bell button down below and visit usmagazine.com.